Good exercise for you, Ravi. Build up your muscles. I could carry 3 at a time, no problem. Because, Fiona, I'm having what's known as a day off. Just building that strength up, Joe. Oh, I'm gonna need another sarnie after that. Well, the next time there's a thunderstorm, I'm going to stand right here. Because lightning never strikes the same place twice, doesn't it? Oh, and today was meant to be my day off. Ugh, I'd rather be at work. Oh, rabbit food. I thought I was having meat pie. Oh. Oh, lovely. Oh. Well, don't worry, Mr. Cashmore. I'll go get it right away. Here I am with the lettuce. Oh. Oh, lovely lettuce this is, Sharon. Oh, and very healthy. Can't get enough of it. The only problem is, Shah, is that fish and chips aren't the same without, well, you know, fish. Oh, blooming ummer. Here comes trouble. Oh, don't worry, Mr. Cashmore. I'm coming. I'm just having me dinner. Oh. All right, ta-ra, Shah.